guerrilla operation.
Politics affect you and
Another revolution.
Politics, you can't run, you can't hide. Feels like they got an next. Stop lying.
Your whole shit sound like karaoke.
Broken revolution and you're out to entertain.
Don't give me your political bullshit.
Talking about revolution. Put the knife in the back.
Fight that shit, come on. If I go down, you go down. Those motherfuckers don't give a fuck who shot who.
Let's talk politics. Please.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Revolution!
So fuck it, total anarchy and can't nobody stop us.
Bring it on! You can set my mode to whatever, whatever.